So let's take a look at that assignment for today. Using your blue packets, read the introduction, talks about the background of measuring architect scales, and we're going to look at, hold on, we're going to look at, there it goes, using an architect scale against it's that three-sided triangle-shaped ruler, all different measurements. But we're going to start out by using the standard typical inch measurement for page number 2. Page 2 has a little bit of a ruler breakdown, talks about 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, just some fractions of the ruler. A through C, these 3 parts, is measured to the nearest whole inch. So no fraction, just measured to the nearest whole inch. So from point to point, find that measurement. And the nearest whole inch, here we are almost 3 inches. So we'll call this one here 3 inches. The nearest inch, so no fractions. Next 3, the nearest 1/2 of an inch. In this case, you measure, and I'm almost to this point, which is 2.5. I'm almost 2.5 inches. The nearest 1/4 inch, same way. And for those ones, the bottom of the paper here talks about using in the correct construction annotation. Hold on, it's got to focus. It's got to help it focus. Focus. Oh, it's making me dizzy. Anyways, feet are referred to with a small little apostrophe mark. Inches are the quote marks. So, for instance, 3 feet and 6 inches would be 3 feet. The dash means and 6 inches. That got worse, didn't it? Come back. Whoa. Gonna make you dizzy. Hold on. There it is. Okay, 3 feet 6 inches. So all the same way. And has to be designated by the little dash means and. 3 feet and inches. That's page 2. Page 3 talks about using the scales on the ruler, architect scale. And here we're saying that on the ruler, every 1/4 inch equals 1 foot in real life. Picture here shows, here's a 1/4 inch scale. Here's the 0, and then here's the start of the 1/4 inch scale. The stuff to its right, these are a little fine-tuned to be able to tell individual inches. So I'm saying every 1/4 inch is a foot. These are the little, each individual inch mark to make 1 foot. So the trick to it is, you find the scale, find the 0, get the pattern figured out. So when you count 0, 92, 2, 88, 4. That makes sense. How about 0, 2, 4, 6? There's your pattern. Which means here's 0, here's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4 feet, there's 5 feet, there's 6 feet. That's the pattern. And then these little small marks are the 1/2 foot marks. Here'd be 6 inch, 12 inch, or 1 foot. 6 inch, 2 feet. 6 inch, 3 feet. Okay? So measure line A in 1/4 scale. So find the scale. On camera, zoom in. Focus. Focus. There it goes. Here's my 0 mark. Here's the 2, the 4. So here would be 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot. Let's try one. So I'm going to go from the point of the arrow. Focus camera. Okay? So I'm right on the point, right about there. And measure to right that mark right there. So I'm on an actual line. Come back. Let's try to zoom in a little bit if we can. Scoot over. Let's be patient. The camera is kind of moody today. There it is. Arrow to arrow. See it? So how long is this? This is 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 feet and a half. 11 feet, 6 inches. 11 feet and 6 inches. Okay? Same for B and same for C. In this case, you want to round up to the nearest 1/2 of a foot. All right? If you're finding yourself stuck in between 2 marks, somewhere in here, for instance, Round up or round down. You pick. Nearest 6-inch mark. Okay? 1/8-inch scale, same way. Find the scale. There it is. Find the zoom button. Find the autofocus button. Why is camera's not? There it goes. Okay. Find the scale. Find the 0. Find the pattern. So if here is 4, 8. That means if here's 0, whoa, come back. Come back. There. Here would be 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5, 6, 7, 8 feet. There's your patterns. Every mark is 1 foot. So you measure this guy from the 0 to the point, and I'm right there. So I am 20 feet, 21 feet, 22 feet, 23 feet, 0 inches. 23 feet, 0 inches. Okay? Having your 1/2-inch scale. You find the scale. There it is. Oh. Find the 0. Find the pattern. Here's 0. Here's 2. Here's 4. So that means here's 0. Here's 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot. Okay? And measure. Uh-oh. In this case, we're going to use this zone. These first two up here, we didn't care if you were out. This guy, we're going to use the zone. Watch here. Okay. So here I'm finding this line is in between. Because here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 6 feet. So I'm at least 5 feet. 5 feet something. Alright. To fine tune it, here's what you do. I'm going to use this portion here and use that portion to measure things up. So zoom in a little bit further. Scoot down a little bit. I'm going to put my end of my line right at the 5 foot mark. So I'm at 5 feet right about there. So here is 5 feet. That's what I got. 5 feet. How many inches? Let's count. Well, here's 0. Here is 12 inches. Find the pattern. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. Oh, wait a minute. 2 inch, 4, 6 inch, 8 inch, 10 inch, 12 inch. Each big mark is 2. So I have 2, 4, 6. Here's 8 inches. And I'm maybe maybe right about to here. So that mark. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8. If that's 10, that must be 9. So I'm 5 foot 9 inch. Okay, try one more. Start from 0. Always from 0. Measure my mark. Here I am 1, 2, 3 feet something. So I'm at least 3 feet. 3 feet something. Slide down that 3 foot mark. And then I'll read the fine-tuned measurements. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, figure that out. Same thing down there. 3/4 scale, exact same way. Exact same way. You find that scale, find the 0, out of focus, find the scale, find the 0, find the pattern. In this case, it's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go from 0. Here I have 3 feet, at least 3 feet 6, but not quite 4. So I'm at least 3 feet something. Down here. Oops, this one. How many inches? I'm going to go to that 3 foot mark, and I'm going to count the exact same way. So this is 12 inches worth here. Find the pattern. Where's my 1 inch mark? Where's my 2 inch mark? Count, count, count. Okay, same way for that one. Last page. Zoom out a little bit here. just says, and focus, 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 focus. There it goes. Measure the lines below using the appropriate scale. Measure, okay, this line here, how long is that line in eighth scale, in half scale, in blurry scale, in blurry scale, and in blurry scale? How long are those lines? How long are those lines? So we'll try one, then once you solve the rest. Okay, now you're probably dizzy watching this thing go zoom in, zoom out. So eighth inch scale, I find that. I'm going to measure eighth inch scale. And here you want to be as precise as possible. So use your little fine-tuned numbers. Alright, we'll zoom in 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, 4, 3 clicks. All you can get. Okay, whoa. So I'm at the 0, and I'm at, here's 20, 21, 2, 3, 24, 25, 26, something. Here's 27, here's 26. So I'm at least 26. 26 feet something. 26 feet blurry. I try it again. So now if I go to 26 feet something, come back, I'm going to zoom, scroll over to 26 feet. So I put 26 feet on my end. I got to read this much to figure out how many inches I have. Whoa, come back, come back. In this case, each small mark is 1 inch. So there's, or 2 inches. Oh, 2 inches. So there's 2, 4, 6, maybe 8. So 26 feet, 8 inch. Alright? Same thing, same thing, same thing. Answer those, and you are done. Alright? Hope you're not too dizzy watching this video, and good luck to you.